You don't hate studying, you're just addicted to everything else. Scrolling feels good, studying feels hard. But what if you could actually become addicted to studying? You say, I can't focus, I'm not consistent. But the real problem is this: you don't see yourself as a person who studies, and your brain always follows identity. Here are the tips. Romanticize studying. Aesthetic study vibe. Right now, your brain thinks studying equals boring. Change that. Clean desk, good lighting, calm music. Make studying feel like a vibe, not a punishment. To 2-minute entry trick. Don't try to study for hours. Just say, I'll read 2 lines. No pressure, because starting is everything. Tip 3. Remove decision fatigue. Stop deciding every day, what should I study? Decide it beforehand. Fix time, fix subject. Now your brain doesn't think, it just acts. Tip 4. Make boredom your weapon. Sit with no phone, no distractions. Let boredom hit. Your brain will look for stimulation, and studying becomes the easiest option. Tip 5. Progress high trick. Your brain loves progress, so track what you complete. Pages, questions, chapters. When you see progress, you want more of it. That feeling becomes addictive. Tip 6. Same spot rule. Study at the same place every day. After some time, your brain builds a shortcut. Sit here equals focus mode. No motivation needed. Tip 7. No 0 days rule. Never let a day be 0. Even 5 minutes is enough. Because habits don't break when it's small, they break when you stop. Tip 8. Challenge mode. Turn studying into a game. Can I finish this in 20 minutes? Can I beat yesterday? Now it's not boring, it's a challenge. Tip 9. Teach to learn. Don't just read, teach it. Explain out loud, like a teacher. Now your brain becomes active, and studying feels engaging. Tip 10. Delayed dopamine. Right now, phone equals instant reward. Study equals no reward. Flip it. No phone before study. Reward comes after. Now your brain connects. Study equals pleasure. You don't become addicted in one day, but day by day, your brain rewires. And one day, you'll sit to study without forcing yourself. Start today. If this helped you, then do like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. We'll meet you in the next video.